Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm your host Ishal Khan and you are watching Learning Tricks. Friends, today our topic of discussion is coronavirus in Pakistan. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease which affects our respiratory system and spreads from person to person. It is a name of virus which produces different diseases in animals, but now it is transferred from animals to human beings. It was started in China in December 2019. Wet market, which is also known as Wuhan market, is considered as main source of coronavirus, where dead and alive fish and birds were sold. But main reason of this virus is considered to be bat. But it is not proved because bats are not sold in Wuhan market. Different type of viruses are present in bats that are HIV, rabies, and Ebola. Some scientists believe that bats in China came from burning forest of Amazon. That bats were captured and used in soups. So that virus is transferred into human beings. Symptoms. Its symptoms are fever, cough, tiredness and difficulty in breathing. Coronavirus in Pakistan. Total confirmed cases of coronavirus in Pakistan are 892, out of which 6 patients are died. In Sindh, 400 patients are detected. In Punjab, 200. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK, there are 38 cases. In Balochistan, there are 110 cases. In Islamabad, 15, and Gilgit-Baltistan, 80 cases are detected. Total confirmed deaths in Pakistan are 6, out of which 3 deaths are from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, one from Sindh, one from Balochistan, and one from Gilgit-Baltistan. Now, here are some headlines regarding spread of coronavirus in Pakistan. Number 1. Government have announced complete lockdown in Punjab and Sindh. Number 2. Army is used to control situation of coronavirus. Number 3. Dr. Osama, who was treating coronavirus patients in Gilgit-Baltistan, was died after 2 days on ventilator. Number 4. Shahid Afridi Foundation is distributing food among poor in this difficult situation. Number 5. Government of Sindh is also distributing food among poor during this lockdown. Number 6. 20 people who came from Iran were detected by coronavirus. Number 7. Government of Sindh have decided to not cut the electricity and gas supplies of people who have not paid their bills. Number 8. Karachi Expo Center was changed into hospital in 4 days for coronavirus patients with 10,000 beds. Number 9. 200 Chinese doctors reached Islamabad to fight against coronavirus. Number 11. Army doctors are appointed in hospitals in place of young doctors to fight with coronavirus. Number 12. China has decided to give $40 lakh to Pakistan for making special hospitals for corona patients. Number 13. China has announced to send 12,000 kits, 3 lakh surgical masks and 10,000 protective suits to Pakistan. Number 14. Alex Hales of Karachi Kings has symptoms of coronavirus. Number 15. Preparation of coronavirus vaccine in Punjab University has reached in its last stages. I hope you like the video. Ya Allah, please protect everyone from coronavirus. Keep supporting and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.